Welcome to Speak English in 10 Minutes, your 90-day challenge for a language transformation. Let's master English with the shadow technique. I'll say each sentence twice, then pause for you to repeat after me. This method is designed to train your muscle memory for natural English speech. If you practice daily with me, in just 3 months, you'll be speaking English with confidence. Let's start this exciting journey together. Hi, my name is Rachel. Hi, my name is Rachel. How are you? How are you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Hello. Good evening. Good evening. What's your name? What's your name? How's your day going? How's your day going? It's good to see you. It's good to see you. Are you from around here? Are you from around here? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? Have we met before? Have we met before? How's the weather today? How's the weather today? Do you come here often? Do you come here often? It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Good to have you here. Good to have you here. Did you find us okay? Did you find us okay? Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here? Hi, how are you doing today? Hi, how are you doing today? Can you help me find the nearest bus stop? Can you help me find the nearest bus stop? I'd like a cup of coffee, please. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Where can I buy tickets for the museum? Where can I buy tickets for the museum? Excuse me, what time is it? Excuse me, what time is it? Could you please speak more slowly? Could you please speak more slowly? I'm sorry, I don't understand. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? Thank you very much for your help. Thank you very much for your help. I'm looking for a good place to eat around here. I'm looking for a good place to eat around here. Do you know how to get to the airport from here? Do you know how to get to the airport from here? I'm learning English and trying to improve. I'm learning English and trying to improve. Could I have the bill, please? Could I have the bill, please? What's the Wi-Fi password here? What's the Wi-Fi password here? I think we're lost. We might need directions. I think we're lost. We might need directions. Can we have the menu, please? Can we have the menu, please? I'd like to make a reservation for 2 people. I'd like to make a reservation for 2 people. Could you recommend a good book? Could you recommend a good book? I need to cancel my appointment for tomorrow. I need to cancel my appointment for tomorrow. Is there a pharmacy nearby? Is there a pharmacy nearby? Can I try this on in a smaller size? Can I try this on in a smaller size? Where's the closest ATM? Where's the closest ATM? I'd like to exchange this item, please. I'd like to exchange this item, please. Could you please take a photo of us? Could you please take a photo of us? I think you dropped your wallet. I think you dropped your wallet. The weather is lovely today, isn't it? The weather is lovely today, isn't it? Do you have any vegetarian dishes? Do you have any vegetarian dishes? I'm allergic to peanuts. I'm allergic to peanuts. Could you please call a taxi for me? Could you please call a taxi for me? I would like to check out, please. I would like to check out, please. I slept like a baby. I slept like a baby. Talk to my hand. Talk to my hand. Why are you cranky? Why are you cranky? I can't make it tonight. I can't make it tonight. I'm in a good spirit. I'm in a good spirit. I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. I'm up to my neck. I'm up to my neck. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. Can you cut to the chase? Can you cut to the chase? He's sitting on the fence. He's sitting on the fence. And that wraps up today's quick English lesson. Remember, every word you learned today is a step closer to fluency. If you found this session helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Speak English Fast.